The tapo-fix commercial line of pasting machines, namely the XS60 and the CB56, have been in production for quite an amount of time and very familiar with our commercial installers. In 2023, the stand was redesigned to make it more ergonomic, to make the legs folding, and added gurney wheels on the side to make it easier for loading and unloading. 2025 has brought some new changes. tapo-fix, in their desire to continually perfect their products, have added a new feature, several new features to both the XS60 and the CB56 to increase the performance of these machines. The machines themselves, the pasting part of the machine, the paste well, the internal works of the pasting machines have remained the same, so the parts are still the same, but the stand themselves have been improved. We've added the feature of a heavier duty material shelf. The material shelf was a new item in 2023. We've actually made that even stronger. It's able to withstand up to 200 pounds of weight, so several 5-gallon buckets are easily placed and transported on the material shelf. And for greater stability, we have added extending legs onto the folding legs of the stand. So where the legs were static in one position, both in the folded and operating position, now you can extend those legs once you move into the operating position, and they can be retracted when you want to move, transport, and store the pasting machine. So today we're going to be showing you this on the XS60, but everything we're showing you also applies for the CB56. So here we have our XS60 commercial width pasting machine as it's going to come to you out of the box with your stand, your pasting machine, your booking table, and your material shelf. This is how it will arrive to you. This is also how you're going to transport it in your vehicle to and from the job site. So an addition that we made in 2023 was the gurney wheels when we added the folding legs to the stand. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate that when you're transporting, when you're unloading and loading this into your work truck, your work trailer, work van, that sort of thing. You want to grab it by the frame. You have your gurney wheels on one end, and this allows you to load and unload with a single man, quick and efficiently. So with our new folding stands, it's easy for one man to set up this machine on the job site. Our previous stands, our old 3-piece stands, typically took 2 people to hold everything in place while everything was screwed together. This is ergonomic and easy and quick to set up once you get to the job. First thing you want to do is make sure that your casters are in the lock position, that the wheels are locked. Each leg has a lever that you unlock, and this leg will drop down. Once the leg is dropped down, lift on the frame, not the machine, letting the leg drop down into place, and then make sure this lock goes down over the hinge so that this does not fold up accidentally. Go to the other side, again, ensuring your legs are locked. Now your wheels are locked, excuse me. Drop your legs, lift on the frame. Check your sliding lock mechanism. Now you're ready to go ahead and insert your shelf and set up your booking table. So your next step is going to be to insert the shelf into the folding stand. Your shelf is designed to marry with the brackets on the side of your pasting machine so that it doesn't move during transport storage. So lift straight up out of these grooves of your shelf, rotate it 180 degrees, slide it into your space in between your legs, and drop it into place. The final step in getting your machine set up and ready to start using is to go ahead and mount your booking table. This is your storage position. This also makes it easy to transport through doorways and to get it into narrow corridors and that sort of thing. But once you're ready to set it up, lift it straight up. And drop the tabs into the arms on your stand. Now your table is set and ready to start using. Now that my table, my machine, my stand is all set up, I've spun the machine around to give you a better view of one of the newest features of the tapo-fix XS60 and CB56. The stand and the machine have pretty much stayed the same, but we've added the feature of being able to extend the legs. So in the retracted position, as it comes with your machine when you purchase it, and for storage and transport, the legs are retracted. But now you have the ability, with a thumb screw beneath, to extend these legs, locking this thumb screw back down, and now you have greater stability. So as you're pulling material from this side of the machine, you do not have the instance of this tipping or rocking on you. And it's just an added feature that tapo-fix decided to go ahead and increase the value and the performance of this machine by adding. So now you have locking casters, galvanized steel locking casters. These are heavy duty casters all the way around. Our original model just had locking casters in the front with non-locking casters in the back. We now have locking casters, galvanized steel all the way around. And this is a very stable, very ergonomic, very useful design to help you as an installer, as an individual installer or as a team, to be more efficient on the job site. Our last step, we take our material rod. You have 2 positions on the CB56, 3 positions on your XS60. You can take this and use it for narrow diameter materials at the top position, or drop it down to your lower position for your 30-yard, 50-yard rolls. Also new to the tapo-fix 2025 commercial line of pasting machines, which is our XS60 and our CB56, is our new booking tables. Our previous booking tables were constructed of wood, and these new tables are designed of aluminum, plastic core, and then an aluminum top. This is going to make for a very long-lasting, very easily maintained, cleanable, and waterproof surface. This is a part of tapo-fix's ongoing commitment to continually improve our products to make them more usable, more value to you as an installer.